everybody. Today you are going to know the world's largest food items. So starting with the world's largest hamburger. It was weighted 5,520 pounds. It was made on 5th of August 1989 in Seymour, Wisconsin. Then coming down to the world's largest donut, my favorite. An American-style jelly donut weighted 3,739 pounds that holds the record as the world's largest donut. It was made in Utica, New York on 21st of January 1993. Then world's largest cherry pie. It was created on 14th of July 1990 in British Columbia, that's in Canada. And the weight of this cherry pie was 37,721 pounds. World's largest hot dog. It measured 57 feet 4 inches, complete with bun. That's long. The huge hot dog was made in August 2005 for the annual Corvettes for Kids fundraiser in Fogestville, Pennsylvania. World's largest milkshake. It was created on 20th of October 1989 in Orwell, Ohio. It was 1,332-gallon chocolate shake made by Smith Dairy Products Company. World's largest ice cream sundae. Palm Dairies Limited, that's in Alberta, Canada, made this world's largest ice cream sundae. The weight of the sundae was 54,917 pounds. It was made on 24th of July 1988. Hey, this is my favorite. World's largest gingerbread house, my dream house. The Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota was house of the world's largest gingerbread house from November 24, 2016 till New Year, that's 1st January 2007. This house stood 67 foot tall and took 1,700 hours and 9 days to create, with 14,250 pounds of gingerbread. Oh my god. There were 4,750 lbs of icing and more than 1 ton of candy embellishments. I wish I could see that. World's largest birthday cake. It weighed 238 pounds. Art Crane's Bakery in Alabama, who was resident of Fort Payne, created this cake to celebrate the city's 100th birthday in 1989. Here comes the world's largest bagel. It was weighted 868 pounds. It was made on August 27, 2004 at the New York State Fair. World's largest chocolate chip cookie. It was created in Ripon, Wisconsin on 11th of July 1992. It was 34 feet wide and contained nearly 4 million chocolate chips. World's largest cinnamon roll. Created on 15th of October 2005, the House of Bread, Mill Creek, Washington made the world's largest cinnamon roll weighing 246 pounds. At the end, world's largest popcorn ball. It was weighted 3,100 pounds, made by 40 volunteers at the Noble Popcorn Factory Farm, which is in Sac City, Iowa. It was made on June 12, 2004.